Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this glammed out cosmetic holder. So to start off, I'm going to choose my logo for my holder. I chose Chanel because I felt like it would be the perfect fit for my diamonds. These are the items that we will need to start this project. I'll put them in the description box below so it's easier for you to get them. So first, we'll need E6000 glue in clear transparent. We will then need our studded out diamond rope, a glass jar or container, a pair of scissors, and last but not least, our printed logo. I'm going to start off by cutting out my logo to the size that I desire. When that's done, I'm going to place it against my jar to see if I like the way it looks. I am then going to take my roll of diamonds to cut out a very long strip and measure it up against the rim of my jar. Make sure the strip of diamonds that you cut out is very long, and that way, if it's too big for the rim, we can cut out any excess pieces. Next, we are going to do the bottom of our jar. It's the same exact procedure that we did for the rim of the jar. In my case, my rope was too long, so I measured it up against the bottom of the jar and cut off any excess pieces. Now that it's measured up the way we want it, let's start gluing. With our diamonds laying the opposite way, I'm going to take my E6000 glue and start from the second diamond only. The reason why I start from the second diamond only is because when I'm ready to apply my diamonds onto the jar, I don't want any glue on my hands. Now that I'm done gluing, I'm going to take my rope by the ends and apply it onto my jar. When you're applying the diamonds onto your jar, just try to be very gentle and careful. Just so that the glue dries a little faster, I'm going to take my blow dryer and apply it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Once the glue is dry, I'm going to apply glue to the very ends of my diamonds. Now it's time to do that same exact procedure for the bottom of our jar. Let's just take a second to look at how pretty this is. We are halfway there, guys. Next step, that picture that we cut out, we're about to glue it on. Just before we glue it on, place it in the desired spot that you would like. Again, we are going to apply our E6000 glue onto the ridges of our paper. Now that you've applied the paper onto the jar, just run your hand smoothly through the ridges of the paper just to make sure that the paper is secured onto the jar. Boom, bam, turkey and ham. Look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful. Like, come on. So I bought some black rubber bands, the tiny ones, and some bobby pins to place in my cosmetic holder. And there you have it, a DIY cosmetic holder.